Barbecue lime stewed chicken and rice. A super easy one pot meal that is awesome, right? The flavors are out of this world. Around here, we like to say it's magically delicious because at Eat and Drink TV, we eat a little different. Now let's get right into this recipe, right? We got some chicken thighs that we got for $4.34. We got 8 thighs, right? We only gonna make 4 in this recipe, but what I'm telling you guys is in this time and day and age where everything is expensive, I show you how to save money and still create delicious food. So we season this chicken up really good with our Holy Five. If you want to know what our Holy Five is, just comment below and we'll show you. All right, then we go in with some oil and butter in our pan. All right, then we take some onion, some celery, and some yellow bell pepper. You can use any color bell pepper you like. And we're just going to saute that up real quick. You also want to make sure you always season your vegetable, guys. You want every part of your meal to have flavor. All right, so now we just take our seasoned chicken and place it right down, skin side down. We want to get a good color and a good sear on that chicken skin side down. So that's exactly what we're doing here. We're just going to place it skin side down and let it cook. All right, now it's been cooking for a while. See, it's got a nice little color on that side. We want to go ahead and flip them over and seal the other side. We want to lock in all of those seasonings and flavors that we put on our chicken. And we want to gonna let those vegetables take in some of the chicken's flavor as well. So we're gonna go ahead and flip them and get both sides seared really good. All right, now at this stage, when it's been cooking on both sides for a little while, you want to go in with some our Miller's Family barbecue sauce. The reason that we chose this particular sauce for this particular dish is all of the ingredients that are in it, right? You have the lime, the vinegar, you know, the black pepper and other things that goes into our sauce that is going to make this dish tie all the way together really, really nicely, right? And we just kind of rub that all over the chicken until it gets into the skin, right? All right, now you're gonna have a little bit of brown bits on the bottom of your pan, so you just deglaze your pan with lime juice. Not only is just deglazing the pan, but it's also adding flavor. Then we drop some ginger paste in there for more flavor, and ginger is always good for you. And then we're going with some minced garlic as well. So these are things that's gonna add multiple layers of flavor to the dish, and that's why it's lime barbecue stewed chicken, right? And we just make sure that that gets all mixed together with the vegetables, and that we deglazing the pan from all of the brown bits that the chicken has left. All right, now we're gonna go in with a little jerk seasoning. And this is just to add a little body to the dish, right? We don't want to go in with a ton of this. We don't want to overpower the dish with this. This is not a jerk recipe. But that little bit of jerk seasoning just adds a good bit of spice, and it just adds a different type of notes and elements to the dish. Also going with some ground cumin. Cumin is going to add to that barbecue and lime flavor, which always goes great together. And then we're going to also add a little bit of turmeric. Turmeric is not only really good for you, but it adds a good healthy color to the dish, and it adds a little bit of flavor as well. All right, now we're going with a couple cups of water we're going to stew the chicken in this broth, right? And the key to this dish, guys, this is the main objective with this dish, is to make sure your broth is seasoned properly. You don't need to add nothing. So once you make sure your broth is seasoned properly, now you're just going to kind of flip your chicken over. You see how it's got good color on both sides, and it's just stewing in that chicken, so the chicken is sucking in all those juices and all those flavors and everything that we've already put in to the dish. And then, you know, you just want to kind of re-season at this point because we're going to add our rice. So you want to go ahead and make sure you got some bay leaves, and then we're going to do 1 cup of rice, and we're going to mix that all together real good. And like I said, guys, the key to this whole dish is just making sure your broth is flavored properly, right? So anything you need to add to your broth after you taste it, if you need more salt, if you need chicken bouillon, if you need more cumin, if you whatever you feel like the broth needs in order to make your rice and your chicken taste delicious. You always want to add it at this step, because after this we're just going to kind of cover it and let it go. So like I said, you want to make sure all your rice gets covered into the broth, that it's mixed in properly, that it's not sticking together, that your vegetables are not sticking to the bottom of the pan. You want to mix that up really, really, really good. Get your bay leaves down up in the pan, and there you go. Voila, you ready to ride now. At this point, you just kind of want to make sure everything gets submerged in that broth, because it's just going to simmer in this broth and stew in this broth. That's what's called stewed chicken, in this broth, until it's ready to go. So you just cover it up, cut it down on low, and let it go. All right, after about 15 to 20 minutes, guys, when your rice is good and tender, you want to go in and just look at that. Ooh-wee. Our celery, our bell peppers, all the flavors that we've added, from the barbecue sauce to the lime juice to the cumin. And then look at our chicken, guys. It got a nice, decent color on it, and it's tender and it's moist. And chicken and rice with all of these flavors is amazing, right? This is a different type of stewed chicken. You know, most people do like brown stewed chickens or like pollo guisado in the Dominican culture and stuff like that. But this is my version of a stewed chicken, and I think that it's up there with any other version. Like, I would really challenge you to try this recipe, because it's really delicious. The rice, the broth, the chicken, everything has so much flavor. It's really, really, really like that. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Try this recipe, guys. Try all the recipes on the channel. Go back and look at everything. Look how tender this and juicy this chicken is. You know, you don't need a knife or anything. You just go straight in with a fork. It comes right apart. Very, very delicious. The rice, everything. And we're just going to give it the taste test, because that's the only way to tell. But look how tender and juicy that is, guys. Like and subscribe, Eat and Drink TV. Love y'all. We eat different. Peace.
Thank you for watching Eat and Dreams TV.